Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Minecraft creeper. So, to start off with our creeper, we're going to begin with the head. So, I'm going to start by just making a square right up here. So, I'm just going to make a square shape. Just like this. Now, inside of here, I want to make two more squares for some eyes. So, I'm going to make a square here. And then I'm going to make a square right here. Then I want to give them a mouth. So I'm going to make a little line that goes up and then across and then down like this. And then I'm going to go out and down, over, come back up, over, down, over, up, and then across like that again. I know that was a lot of steps in one. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down like this. And then another line that goes down just like that. Now, I want to give him some legs. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across on each side. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then comes back up. And then I'm going to make another line that goes down, over, and then comes back up. And then right in between here, I'm just going to draw a little line to connect it. Then back here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes over, down, and then comes back over. And then over here, before I do any of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line at the head that goes down at an angle. And then I'm going to draw this line down. And then I'm just going to make this line come up at an angle. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down. And then right here, I'm going to go up, over, down, and then over again for another leg. Then I'm just going to add two little like squares on the front legs for some toes. And then I'll put one on the back leg for some toes. And there you go. There is your little cartoon creeper. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.